Let me spend a couple of minutes just explaining to you about price objections and potentially the challenge that it really is, and therefore how to understand how to better manage this challenge. So the first thing to understand is that if you're getting to a sales process towards the end and you're coming up with price objections, i.e. that your prospect feels that your price is too expensive or not in their budget, then really need to unpack is what is really the challenge here. Is it really price problem, or is it really a trust problem, or is it a value proposition problem? Now, if you've got a consistent process that does deliver results to a marketplace that is prepared to pay the price that you have for your value proposition, then you've got a body of evidence that enough people are saying yes to you. So it's most likely, if you're getting a price objection from someone, it's either that you haven't spent enough time building trust and making them feel safe with you, or you haven't built enough time in providing the answers to the value proposition on how this is going to give them a better life for the problem that you're looking to overcome for them, because ultimately every buyer is looking for a better life. So it could be simple as understanding what is the challenge that I'm faced here with a price objection. My view is that it's most likely sits in the fact that they don't feel trust in you, and therefore a price objection is a way to get out of the conversation and to stop the sales process going. If you spend more time on the front end building the trust, you'll have less objections on the back end when it comes to price. Now, this is provided that you have a product or service that has got a value proposition that you know is being tested in the marketplace and people are prepared to pay that price. So have a think about what actually is the challenge in a price objection, break it down to understand how you can improve your sales performance or your sales process so that you have less price objection. If you want to help with this, please reach out to me, and in a short 1-hour strategy session, we can overcome this price objection problem that you may be facing right now. Good luck with all your opportunities coming up soon.